Hey guys, welcome back to the Anoility Tech. It's Milind over here, and today we are unboxing the best wireless earbuds from Yoleo. These are rated one of the most highest on the Amazon, and these earphones have very positive feedbacks and reviews in the Amazon.com as well. So basically guys, let's have a look at how these earphones are actually in performance, in practical things, that how this earphones actually sounds like, and find it out something more, that are they really of worth to purchase or not. So let's jump on to the video and let's unbox this earbuds and have a look at that thing. Okay, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to the Anoility Tech. It's Milind over here, and let's have a practical look at some of the amazing headphones from different types of the companies. Okay, getting back to the video, here is one thing guys. This video is sponsored and powered by Ridge Wallet. Ridge Wallet provides one of the excellent duffel bags as well as excellent wallets. And basically guys, if you want to try out, if you want to try out their wallets, then simply visit the link in the description down below. Once again guys, this was Milind from Anoility Tech. I will catch you guys soon in the next one with an amazing iPhone 11 trailer and an iPhone 11 update. For now, peace out and have a great day to you. Peace. Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the Anoility Tech. It's Milind over here, and today we are having one of the best earphones out there from Yoleo company, and these are basically one of the top rated earphones according to the Amazon.com. So basically guys, Yoleo has sent us this review unit. So thank you to Yoleo for sending us this review unit to test them out in order to get the actual practical look at this earphones, that how they actually perform in the reality, and are they really of that much rating deservable, or basically do that kind of the thing is really cool in terms of clarity, quality and everything. Once again guys, this was Milind. I will catch you guys soon in the next one. For now, peace out.
The Ridge Wallet is a minimal front pocket wallet that is designed to let you ditch your bulky wallet. It is slim with RFID blocking and lifetime guaranteed. It is the last wallet you will ever buy. It comes in gorgeous titanium, lightweight carbon fiber, polycarbonate and over a dozens of different styles and colors. The Ridge also provides some amazing weatherproof duffel bags which also supports power banks. Visit ridgewallet.com/anoility and use the promo code anoility to get 10% off today with free worldwide shipping at the link in the video description.